Now we will go and update our settings of the channel. So you go to settings, click over here. The first one is default units. You can keep it as US dollar, or you can select as INR if you are in India, or your respective currency. Moving on to the next piece, channel. So over here you can select your country of residence. So I'll choose India. The keywords. Now keywords is again similar to what we used for writing our description, the channel description, right? So if my channel is about travel, then I will mention one of the keywords as travel. If it is about helping you plan your trip, then I will mention it as plan your trip. This channel is about creating and setting up a YouTube channel. So I will mention create your YouTube channel, right? So or YouTube channel. So these are maybe the keywords for my channel, and I will then click on save, right? Moving on to the next part is the advanced settings. Now the first part over here is audience. Now who is your audience for your videos? If the audience contains kids, that is the content you're creating is for kids, and by kids we mean less than or equal to 11 years of age, then you can set this as for that it is channel is made for kids, or you can opt for no, this channel is not made for kids. If you have clarity, you can select the option right now so that you don't have to select it for every video you upload. Or you can, as mentioned, I want to review the setting for every video, you can select that also. In that case you will have to select the option out of these two for every video you upload. I will select this as no, set this channel is not made for kids, because it is for creating YouTube channel and it's not meant for kids, right? So I click on save. The next part is Google Ads account linking. For this you need to create a Google AdSense account, and then you have to link that account over here, right? So this is for promoting your videos. You can pay money to Google and they will promote your videos on YouTube, and that is purely up to you. It is more valuable when you have lot many subscribers and you have launched up products, and in that case you can do this because then it will result into selling of your products as well, right? Else I would not suggest to go ahead with this at this stage while setting up the channel. Automatic captions. Now automatic captions is basically where YouTube generates their own captions, and you can this is a by default anyway setting, and you can tick over here if you don't want to potentially show inappropriate words which are a part of your video. So I will just select over here. That's up to you. It's not an issue. You take it, untake it. That's not an issue. The next is advertisements. So advertisements which will run throughout your videos, right, for the viewers. Now over here, if you select disable interest-based ads, that means personalized ads will not be shown on your videos. That means a viewer who is watching your video and he's, as you know, if he's searching for something, then brands from those segment and those category, their ads will be displayed. If you select this, no personalized ad will be showed, random ads will be showed uh, during the videos. Do read this. If you select this, right, this may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. In addition, earned action reports and remarketing list will stop working for your channel. So it's purely up to you. I am not selecting this. I am okay with interest based ads to run on my video. Clips. Allow viewers to clip my content. I am keeping this as yes, because I want my content to be used and reviewed so that it, in a way, will help people to reach out to my channel and understand the content which I'm putting out, right? Third party training. So this option is kind of a recent one, wherein YouTube is basically asking you if you would allow your content to be used by third party companies to train their AI models. So suppose you have a channel wherein you explain uh, different use of Microsoft Excel sheet, right? And there is some AI tool being built by some company which basically wants data and models to run over Microsoft Excel, right? So they will use your videos if you allow them to use it, right? So it's purely up to you if you want to allow them or not, right? I am not selecting right now. right? Once you are done with this, you can click on save. Moving on to next page, feature eligibility. This is one of the most important ones. By default, you would see the standard features are activated, and under this, you will get few of these features enabled for your channel, right? For accessing more features, it is very important we complete these two tasks also and become enabled for these. In intermediate features, you can see you can upload custom thumbnails, you can live stream, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So it's very important we do this, and for that we have to basically be enabled for standard features and verify our phone number as well, right? Once this is enabled, for the third part, you have to go, and you should be enabled for intermediate features first. You Once you verify your phone number with OTP, this section will get enabled, and you can see there are a lot of features which get unlocked. In fact, the most important piece, eligible to apply for monetization, is unlocked only when you become eligible for advanced features. Over here, you have to do video verification, or you can also be enabled basis channel history. When you upload for 2 months, then basis that also they approve. So you can do it basis video verification also, and then once you are done, you can click on save and proceed.